So actually what we gonna draw today, so I just show you something. I have this domes color pencil, okay, and today I just see that picture, so that's why today we draw this particular image. I know there's some regular random portrait we draw, but sometimes we need to some variation. So today we're gonna draw a fish. So let's get started. So first of all, we create some basic structure. For that, we first observe the picture, how it's made. So I see in this picture a very basic some lines. So first we draw those lines. For that we just measure some birds. So we are going like this way. If you see this picture, see that picture, you know the fish curve should like this. So what do we do from here? From here we don't go for the perfectionism. We don't do it. We just see, understand, and then just draw that line. Just make it simple. Then from here, the continuation. Match that. See? Now you turn it. It's look like some curve. See? Now from here, the bottom side, and you observe properly how I do it, so you understand. Create some features. From here, you draw eye. Die, but it's just a body. We create some other features. We just draw eye, and now draw like this. From here, we don't need to copy everything, but the gesture you need to follow from continuation. Or even you copy for first time, because if you don't learn how it's going, you don't create. For just learning purpose, you can. It's okay, definitely. I just learned from very good picture. Continue with that. Do this. They do such a thing. I will like smile. But see, there is some mistake. There is a mistake I do. So what I do is erase it. Because this is like this. Like I need to make sure. That's great. Now I just fill it out properly. I draw the so picture. Just want to do right. So it doesn't matter if you don't draw. You can draw it. Click it. Just one pencil. Just click on follow. You can draw the outlines and the picture. I just draw because just some kind of practice and just for showing you like teaching way. Like okay, I just do it because obviously this picture is not owned by me. This is a Dome's official, their own picture, so I just keep that. Now it's look good, but if you see it's just a pencil lines, not any. You don't see the life on that particular picture, and for that we need some shading, some kind of extra little details. So now we're gonna do that particular face. Okay, so for that we just add some details over here like this, but this continuation should be very smooth way, not random way, because randomness okay, but this randomness should have follow particular structure. So that's how it look good. We don't need to create every particular thing, but for that image to look good, some details need to be done. So for that we're gonna do those some kind of details, but just okay, it's okay. Now over here we're gonna do same thing. Like this. See? Okay. That's enough. Some kind of over here. Just that's okay. Now what we can do, we create some texture and shadow. For that, we can give here. See, it will be continue like this, not random. Keep it in mind. Very good. Fine. See, every stroke should be in a purpose. Hopefully you like this art, and I hope you learned something from it. Thank you for watching. We catch you in the next one. So